Alright, so you're staring at an Excel sheet filled with excuses people have used for being late to work. These are some of the excuses in a survey from CareerBuilder, but now you've got duplicates, and it's time to clean them up. Let's walk through a few ways to do it. First method, removing duplicates in a single column. First up, we have a column full of excuses, like, my dog ate my car keys. But why is that excuse showing up 3 times? No problem, we'll get rid of those duplicates. To start, highlight the column with your list of excuses, go to the Data tab and click on Remove Duplicates. Make sure My Data Has Headers is checked as there is a header in this table. Once you click the OK button, Excel will take care of the rest, and those duplicate excuses will be gone. Method 2. Removing duplicates from multiple columns. Now, say we've got a list of not just excuses, but who said them. Turns out Bob's been blaming his dog for weeks, and Alice keeps getting stuck in that same elevator. Time to clean that up too. Just like before, highlight the entire table, go to Remove Duplicates, and this time, make sure the My Data Has Headers box is unchecked since there are no headers. Click OK. Excel will then scrub through the table, leaving you with a much cleaner list. Method 3. Using the unique formula. Here's what we're working with this time. A full list of excuses, who said them, and how many times they've been late. Now, let's key in the unique formula. Select any cell, key in equal to unique, open bracket, starting from B2, and select the entire table, close bracket. Press Enter. What we get is a nice clean list of unique excuses without deleting any data.